Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Animal Zoo. Hope you are enjoying my video. Today I am presenting to you an interesting video about screw-horned goat that is also known as Markhor. Look at the beautiful goat in the world. This is also called the Markhor, a large and majestic wild goat that lives in the mountains of western Central Asia. The Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. Look at the beautiful look, hairs, and shape of this goat. This goat is the national animal of Pakistan, where it is also known as Shekhawat. The Markhor has a long and corkscrew-shaped horn that can grow up to 160 centimeters in length. Look at the beautiful horns of these beautiful goats. These look like a beautiful like a line. The Markhor is adapted in living in high altitude and harsh climate, has a thick and silky coat that changes color with the season. Look at the interesting fact, they can change their color of the according to their season. These are very beautiful and healthy and intelligent goat in the world. The Markhor is herbivorous and feeds on grass, leaves, shoots from trees. The Markhor is endangered due to overhunting, habitat loss, and competition with the livestock. Look at the beautiful animal in the world with beautiful long horn is playing on mountains with beautiful beard on his face. They live in the group. They are very intelligent and so beautiful creature of the world. Look at this beautiful Markhor playing in the jungle. They can climb very high on the mountains. Thanks you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.